Importing modules from parent folder. I am running Python 2.5. This is my folder tree. I also have _init_.py in each folder, omitted here for readability. How do I import the nib module from inside the life module? I am hoping it is possible to do without tinkering with sys.path. Note, the main module being run is in the draft folder.
It seems that the problem is not related to the module being in a parent directory or anything like that. You need to add the directory that contains draft to pythonpath. You said that import nib worked with you. That probably means that you added draft itself, not its parent, to pythonpath.
You could use relative imports. Python is greater than or equal to 2.5. What's new in Python 2.5? PEP 328, absolute and relative imports. Edit, added another ... to go up 2 packages.
I posted a similar answer also to the question regarding imports from sibling packages. You can see it here. Solution without sys.path hacks. Summary. Wrap the code into one folder, for example packaged_stuff. Create a setup.py script where you use setuptools.setup. Pip install the package in editable state with pip install e myproject_folder. Import using from packaged_stuff.modulename import function_name. Setup. I assume the same folder structure as in the question. I call the root folder, and in my case it is located in C:\. Steps. Add a setup.py to the root folder. The contents of the setup.py can be simply basically any setup.py would work. This is just a minimal working example. Use a virtual environment. If you are familiar with virtual environments, activate one and skip to the next step. Usage of virtual environments are not absolutely required, but they will really help you out in the long run when you have more than one project ongoing. The most basic steps are: run in the root folder, create virtual env, python env, activate virtual env, .venv/bin/activate Linux or ./venv/script/activate Win. Deactivate virtual env. Deactivate Linux. To learn more about this, just Google out Python virtual env tutorial or similar. You probably never need any other commands than creating, activating and deactivating. Once you have made and activated a virtual environment, your console should give the name of the virtual environment in parentheses. Pip install your project in editable state. Install your top-level package myproject using pip. The trick is to use the E flag when doing the install. This way it is installed in an editable state, and all the edits made to the .py files will be automatically included in the installed package. In the root directory, run pip install e. Note the dot. It stands for current directory. You can also see that it is installed by using pip freeze. Import by prepending main folder to every import. In this example, the main folder would be draft. This has the advantage that you will not run into name collisions with other module names from Python standard library or third-party modules. Example usage: nib.py, life.py, running life.py.
Relative imports, as in from .import my module, only work in a package. To import my module that is in the parent directory of your current module. Edit: the _file_ attribute is not always given. Instead of using os.path.abspath_file_, I now suggested using the inspect module to retrieve the file name and path of the current file.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.